Let's make some carrot cake. This recipe goes back 20 plus years. When my mother-in-law found out that carrot cake was one of my favorite desserts, she proceeded to spend the next year and a half perfecting her recipe. And I, of course, benefited for a year and a half of carrot cake. This is that recipe. Enjoy. The first thing we want to do is sift together 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour. Here I've got a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. In this, I've got 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'm going to sift this together and make sure I don't have any lumps from anything. So I'm going to mix my sugars and wet ingredients. So I'm going to start with 1 cup of white flour, 1 cup of firmly packed brown sugar, 1 cup of buttermilk, 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3/4 cup of melted butter. I'm going to add half my flour mixture. Other half of my flour mixture. Break down the sides.
Wait.
One 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple, 1 pound of shredded carrots, mix this until blended. I've divided the batter into 3 9-inch cake pans. I'm going to cook in a 350-degree oven for about 25-30 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. I'm going to let these completely cool before I ice them. So, mother out. For my cream cheese icing, I'm going to start with 1/2 cup or 1 stick of butter at room temperature, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, I want to mix this until light and fluffy. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of orange zest. When I have 16 ounces of powdered sugar. They're moist. All right, let's get a slice here and see how we do. My favorite. Here. Soft, moist, grainy. Good stuff.